Now, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, will appeal against the life imprisonment and other jail terms handed down by Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja. His former lawyer and consultant, Aloy Ejimakor, has said. Speaking to reporters after the sentencing on Thursday, former lawyer and consultant to the convicted IPOB leader Aloy Ejimakor said Kanu will challenge the judgment at the Court of Appeal. Ejimakor described the sentencing as, quote, travesty of justice and expressed confidence that the appellate court will overturn the conviction.
What is the law? You don't know law. There is nothing new. You're asking rubbish. Show me the law. One address.
Joining us live to give us more perspective to this story is a lawyer, Olu Akambi, and he joins us via Zoom. He's currently in Lagos. Barrister Olu, if you can hear me, what are the main legal grounds on which Kanu's defense can appeal this life sentence?
Thank you very much for having me. It's important for us to know that, one, for you to appeal any judgment, you need to understand the fact that you would appeal on the ground that there's a miscarriage of justice. You would appeal on the ground that certain factors were not taken into consideration when your matter was heard at the first court of instance. Now, I'm really trying to see where Kanu can successfully get any escape from this particular judgment, because all the offenses, all the charges profiled against him were established and they were proven. So the question is, where will he go? How does he escape? How is he going to get the appeal? How will he be successful on the appeal? So if his counsel, Barrister Ejimakor, is saying that he will appeal, fine, it's his right to appeal. It's his right to appeal. But succeeding, I doubt that very much. We can't preempt the court yet, but to my own opinion, I doubt it very much.
The judge opted for life imprisonment instead of death penalty. What does this say about the balance between mercy and deterrence in terrorism-related cases?
Well, lately we have come to the term with the fact that death is no longer in vogue. A lot of people have been killed. A lot of people have been, killed through different means. But did it change anything? Has it stopped people from committing crime? It doesn't. So it is not really in vogue. It's not a fashionable thing anymore. It's not a thing in the spirit. Now, according to the Justice Omotosho, he said that the grace of God, he quoted the Bible a verse, Matthew, and he said he will not sentence him to death, but to life imprisonment. To life imprisonment. And if you check other instances, like the case of Hassan Ismail, the other Boko Haram participant that was also sentenced to 20 years imprisonment, you consider the fact that they are both terrorism acts. But they were both sentenced to different offenses, but not to death.
Let me take you back to your previous response. You said you're not too sure that his appeal would be successful. But I want to know, has the appellate court ever overturned life imprisonment sentences for terrorism-related cases?
Well, it's possible. It's possible, but it is rare because, you see, what the first court of instance does is to put every fact together. Okay? Now, where Kanu's case is a little bit complex is that he defended himself. And there are a lot of technicalities that he did not take into consideration. So, where exactly are you going to anchor your appeal on? Are you going to say that there was a miscarriage of justice? Are you going to say that a certain factor was not taken into consideration? What are the grounds that the counsel Ejimakor is going to anchor the appeal on? That's my worry. That's my worry. Because he does not seem to have a firm ground where the appeal can be rested, can be placed on. If he says he's going to appeal, what are you appealing? Are you appealing that you did not incite people against the government? Are you appealing that you did not tell people that, okay, go and burn this place? Are you appealing that you did not mastermind certain actions that were carried out? So what are you appealing against?
Thank you so much, Barrister Olu, for sharing your insights on that story.